Here's a great concept for those of you who aren't crazy about fruit smoothies and cold smoothies in the winter. They are savory smoothies. Now, the difference between a savory smoothie and a soup is that you don't have long cooking temperatures, and obviously these vegetables are raw, so you get more nutrients from them, and it's great for not spiking your blood sugars and getting a lovely savory warm flavor to start your day with. So to start off, what I do is I wash and clean a leek, slice it in half, and then cut it into halves again. So just some thick slices that are then going to go into the food processor, or even better, a high-powered blender. Once my leeks are chopped and placed in the blender, I'm going to grate some ginger, fresh ginger, and some fresh turmeric, so you get maximum healing properties from these foods because they're not going to be cooked, and quite a spicy flavor. So fresh turmeric is fantastic, has huge healing properties in it, and if you can't find fresh turmeric, you can by all means use the powdered, but I'd highly encourage you to go out looking for it. So now I'm going to throw the leek into the high-powered blender with some miso paste and the fresh ginger and turmeric and 1 clove of garlic. And then I'm going to throw in a really healthy handful of spinach. So the great thing about spinach is it's going to give that beautiful green color. And what I like to do is add a smoked chili salt. This is quite good. If you can only find a smoked salt, just add some chili into it. In addition, and then the hot water. So now what you're going to do is you're going to blend it all up until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. And if you want to bump it up to even more a creamy texture, and you want to add some more protein and some more fats into it that are healthy, you can add into this a couple tablespoons of hemp seeds. And for those of you who are coconut oil lovers, you can even put in some coconut oil. So what you'll find is that it's neither a soup or what you've come to learn is a smoothie, but it really is a, can't quite think of the name, a smoothie? I don't know. Anyway, it has a beautiful savory flavor, has all kinds of healing ingredients in it. It's going to be a bit of a sharp flavor for some of you who are used to a soup, and a bit of a stretch for those of you who are used to a sweet smoothie. But I promise you, this is a super healing combination that's a great start to the day, that's not going to spike your blood sugar, and it's super easy. Pun intended. So for more delicious recipes like this that won't spike your blood sugar, are super easy to prepare and absolutely delicious, click the link below to find out more about our 21-day sugar-free challenge.